there's a family caregiver that's doing, a large percentage of the care. What is their involvement, or what's with the professional team, with the OT, with the nurse, with the social worker? How do they integrate?
Well, the idea is we don't have them indefinitely. Our goal is for independence. And there are times when, unless there's somebody providing them with 24-hour supervision, they can't go home. But if the family is definitely probably the most important part of our team, because if a client can't get out of the house, we need to make sure that somebody's going to be there to, help change dressings once we teach them, to help give insulin once we teach them, we have to teach them how to do their medications, fill their medication planners. And without the family to carry that over, it would be nearly impossible for a majority of our patients for us to even be able to consider leaving the home. But the goal with home care is always to age in place and to find those caregivers, family members. Sometimes they're alone and it's maybe a neighbor that can come over and check with those things. Or we've had families who, I had a patient who broke her hip, and she had daughters that lived in South Carolina. So we would Zoom or FaceTime them and teach them and for medication reminders. So one daughter might call in the morning and another daughter might call at night to remind the medication, to watch her take them, make sure she's doing them correctly. So it is extremely important to have patient support, family support. And they're the ones that are going to have to go out and get the equipment a lot of the time because insurance doesn't cover it. And we're a lot of times looking for other sources like yard sales or durable medical equipment places that donate, or senior centers to get this equipment. And without them, it makes it really difficult. So family is critical in taking care of these clients and making sure that they are safe and can stay home.